In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make colorful fireworks in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To get started, gather the materials you will need. You need 1 paper, 1 to 3 gunpowder for the rocket, 1 extra gunpowder for the firework star, and 1 or more dyes. The dyes control the colors of the explosion, so choose any colors you want to use. If you want to add extra visual effects, you can also prepare items like glowstone dust or a diamond before you begin crafting. Once you have your materials ready, open a crafting table. The first part you need to make is the firework star. Place 1 gunpowder into the crafting grid, then add your chosen dye or dyes. This creates the firework star that determines the explosion color when the rocket is launched. If you use only 1 dye, the explosion will show that single color. If you add multiple dyes, the firework can explode in a mix of those colors. You can also improve the firework star with optional effect items. Adding glowstone dust gives the explosion a twinkle effect. Adding a diamond creates a trail effect as the firework moves. These additions are optional, but they make the final firework look more detailed and colorful. Once the recipe is complete, take the finished firework star and move it into your inventory. Next, craft the firework rocket. Keep the crafting table open and place 1 paper into the grid. Then add 1 to 3 gunpowder depending on how high you want the rocket to fly. Using more gunpowder increases the flight duration, which means the firework will travel higher before it explodes. After that, place the firework star into the recipe, along with the paper and gunpowder. This crafts a firework rocket that carries the color and effects you selected in the star. Move the finished firework rocket into your inventory. When you are ready to launch it, place it in your hotbar and use it on the ground or another solid surface. The rocket will rise into the air and explode with the colors and effects you crafted earlier. If you want to make more fireworks, repeat the same process with different dye combinations and optional effect items. This lets you create a variety of colorful displays using simple materials. That covers everything you need to know.